Let me show you how to identify if your Redmi Buds 6 Active are actually real or fake. So unfortunately these actually are so good and so popular that they have already started to make fakes of these, even though these are budget earphones, so I actually need to be very careful. So first let's start with the packaging, and this is what the packaging should look like. So again, make sure it actually matches what this looks like. So I have actually purchased these from the official Xiaomi store, and these are completely genuine. So you can see your serial number over here and also production date. So, and also on the top, this is what they should look like. You have your QR code, and this is what they look on this side basically. And also on the bottom you actually have this security like hologram, so you can actually take a coin and simply scratch this part off, and it will actually reveal basically the codes that you can basically use to verify that if they are real or fake. So maybe some fakers also have put on these, but I really doubt it. So make sure you first have this again. Okay, so inside the box, so this is what basically inside the box looks like. Yeah, and inside the box you only get manual and like earphones basically. And again, pay attention to that packaging. Again, the box obviously, and even this security sticker can be faked, so but we have to actually look at all things together to conclude that if they are real or fake. Some fakers actually do a really good job to replicate these. And again, maybe check your manual, because some actually like put on like complete like they can't even spell English properly, so make sure all the texts are correct. And again, in this manual you can see the texts are both in English and in Chinese, I guess, and they are actually good, so make sure your manual pages look exactly like I have over here. And then the earbuds itself. So again, make sure your packaging actually looks like this. So this is again what the original looks like, and we have this QR code over here as well, and this is what the box of them looks like. So I have the blue version over here, and again this is what the case looks like. You have the Redmi logo over here, you have the Type-C charger over here, and also we have a sticker. Basically you can see all the data of them over here. So again, let me focus. So make sure your sticker actually looks like this. So to list your basically capacity of them and stuff like that. And then the case itself. So the case actually is really decent. So the closing mechanism actually feels really decent. Only the top part, it's actually kind of cheap, like plastic, even on the original ones. For example, I have the like other Redmi like Lite and also the Play version. I think the box of the even the cheaper Play ones looks more premium than on these more expensive active ones. So yep, that's something. So the top case doesn't actually like feel super premium, but still okay. Okay, and this is what the earbuds looks like. And also make sure you have this sticker here. Please remove before use. So we actually have to peel it off, so they actually do not discharge. So a lot of fakers probably won't even bother putting on such stuff. And again, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Okay, and let's get to the earbuds itself. Okay, so this is what the earbuds look like. So on these earbuds we actually have quite interesting design here, so you can actually kind of see inside them. So you can also see if it's like right earphone or left, so it's actually printed inside there, so you can actually see all the microchips inside. And again, this is what they look like. On the top you have a hole over here, and basically let me try to zoom in even more. Okay, so you have this mesh over here, and also we have a text over here. I'm not sure how well I can zoom in, but basically we list the model, like some certification. and again. So also we have like these holes for the microphones over here, one over here and one over here, and also one here and also one here. So, and the microphones actually are really decent on these earbuds. Also, again, one like a huge giveaway basically on all the fake earphones is usually the microphone quality, which is extremely bad. So the microphone actually should sound really good. And again, this is what you can expect to get on these. Also on them you have this light here as well, so you can actually see if I put it on. And also, as soon as I pretty much like took them out of the box, my phone actually found them. So I didn't really had to even do that, because these have this fast pair option, which yeah, it's actually absolutely amazing. So it pairs in pretty much like 1 second without you having to do anything. So on the fake ones I doubt they have anything like this, so we can simply click connect. And also these actually have a phone app as well. So if you go to your Play Stores and download this Xiaomi AirBuds app, so if your AirBuds obviously can't connect to this app, then obviously it means they're simply fake. Okay, and basically we can add. Okay, so and this is what they look in the app, so you can actually control the gestures. So actually these have touch controls basically, so you can touch them and do like various things, so you can see what they can basically do. So a lot of different options. Also we can manage like audio equalization and do various effects, and yeah, also we can even find them. So again, if it actually doesn't connect to the app, that obviously means they are fake, and really there is no good way how any faker could actually get them to actually connect to the real Xiaomi app. So if they connect, that means they are actually real. So if they do not, that means they're fake, obviously. Anyway, these are some things you can look out for to tell if yours is fake or real. Anyway, good luck.